A snack is always a good idea. In this video, we'll show you how to sneak snacks anywhere. Ladies, your workout has already begun. Hurry up! Of course, Coach! 1 minute! Anyone who is very fond of sweets will find a way to eat candies, even in the presence of a strict coach. The coach will never guess that these are not laces. Wow! Do you have licorice instead of laces? Cool! Hey, what about me? Girls, if you want good results, don't be lazy. Carol, keep up. Wait, my shoe is untied. Oh, goodies! Lucy, take away your sweets now. Well, serves you right. You shouldn't have stolen my sweets. It is especially difficult to sneak food into the library, but Alan figured out how to do that. I think she suspects something. What an unusual wig. I need to keep an eye on this guy. Phew, that was close. I hope she won't notice anything. It smells delicious. Yeah, I knew it's pasta. Don't worry, Alan. Your macaroni wig is big enough for 2. My horse is running first. Go, sweetie! She will definitely win it. I'm hungry. It's good that I've come prepared. Hey, can you help me? All right. With such a hat, this lady will never go hungry. Well, it's done. Here you go. Mercy! Hooray! Bon appetit to me! Is her hat made of bread? I want one too! It seems everyone here could use such a delicious accessory. Here's your salad. Hello? Yes, it's Alan. I'll be just a minute. I hate salads. It's good that Alan came out. Burger, it's your time. Oh yes, that's much better. What about your salad? There's something wrong with you there. I'm fine. This is a burger. Help yourself. It looks like Carol shouldn't worry at all. Everything that is written on the blackboard should be in your notes. While studying, the student's body needs glucose. I want candy. My sweet little beads. No food in class. You can take it after our lesson. It's a pity that not all teachers understand that. Don't be upset, Julia. I'll share my sweets with you. Help yourself. Wow, thanks, Carol. What a wonderful life hack. Why do you smell like sweets? I don't know. Oh, bless you. Remember, I'm watching you. It worked! Well, hungry students don't give up so easily. If Carol is hungry, nothing can stop her. I love these candies. Girl, you shouldn't eat here. Next time, come without sweets. We have a sign here. Shame on you. Stop! What is that? This is my purse. See? Well, fashion isn't my profession. He said no sweets, so I brought some soup. Every future mommy knows that during pregnancy, the appetite works for two, and you can get hungry at any second. I'm starving! There are my cookies at home, and my husband, by the way, is also at home. I have an idea. Honey, I'm still at yoga, but I really want something tasty. Will you bring it? I'm waiting. Oh, where is he? Hello, everyone. Give me my candy! Is he pretending to be a pregnant woman to sneak some treats for his pregnant wife? It looks like this future dad can withstand anything for the happiness of his family. Give me more! Yay! Cookies! I have the best husband in the world! And my instructor didn't even see anything! That's enough yoga for today! We're leaving, dear! Julia! What's up? What is that? It's not mine! Sweetheart, you are so beautiful! Stop it, you! Thanks! Thank you for your beauty! Here's our menu! On a date at a fancy restaurant, high prices can come as an unpleasant surprise. The main thing, in this case, is to not get confused. Everything is so expensive. I'll be right back. But, well, I'll wait a while. This is for you, Julia. How cute! Look closely. These are sweets. Thank you, darling. Here you go. Well, a guy in love will find a way out of any situation. A bouquet of sweets is a great alternative to an incredibly expensive dinner. Here's your water. Are they eating flowers? That's weird. Take a seat, Bear. We're going to watch our favorite cartoon. With such a plush companion, going to the movies is a pleasure. After all, it is easy to hide a huge amount of your favorite sweets inside of his body. Just don't forget to buy him his own ticket. All right, it's time to eat. I'll start with these candies. They are so delicious. Hey, share the candy. Help yourself. Is that all? Do not be greedy. Fine, here you go. Have a nice evening. I think everyone is gone. I am so hungry. Oh no, not visitors again. What should I do? I got it. Look at this picture. Warm shades can cheer you up. And this is our new exhibit. It's the work of a famous contemporary French artist. It's so extraordinary. So simple, and at the same time, brilliant. There are many more interesting things in our gallery. You'll like them all. Finally, I can have a snack. I love modern art. Oh, what a tasty sweet banana. So, I greet you, dear newlyweds. We are gathered here today to unite this beautiful couple with the sacred bonds of marriage. Oh, well, we've gotten stuck here. When does the banquet begin? I'm starving. She looks gorgeous. Do you, Alan Rogers, take this woman to be your lawfully wedded wife? To have and to hold in sickness and in health? That's it. It's time to get my stash. May your life be full of tasty candies. Ahem. Sorry, happy moments. My precious. Go on, Father. Finally. Oh, what is she doing? I also want one. To always stay in good shape, follow these tips. The nutrition expert knows that everyone should eat on time. But what if you get hungry during your own courses? In this case, my choice is a candy necklace. Yes, I'm allowed to eat it. This is delicious. I love chocolate. Keep writing. As long as my students don't notice anything. Oh, this amazing taste! So, did you get that? Well done! To get a perfect body isn't that difficult. Get started today and you will succeed. And guys, eat less sugar. Good luck! Did you like our video? Then like it, subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to click on the bell.